Deep fryers in 2025 are all about precision, efficiency, and delicious results. From smarter temperature controls to easier cleaning features, this year's lineup is designed to make frying at home better than ever. Let's explore the best deep fryers of 2025 and find the one that's perfect for your kitchen. The CROSSON 6L electric countertop deep fryer is a powerhouse designed for both home cooks and commercial kitchens. With a 6-liter capacity, it's perfect for frying large batches of food like chicken, fries, or fish. Powered by a robust 1800-watt heating element, it ensures quick and consistent frying for perfectly crispy results every time. This deep fryer comes equipped with a drain valve, making oil changes and cleanup effortless. The built-in timer allows for precise cooking, while the basket and lid keep frying safe and splatter-free. Designed for 120-volt outlets, it's versatile enough for restaurant use or home kitchens looking for professional-grade performance. If you're after a reliable and efficient fryer for large-scale cooking, the CROSSON 6-liter electric countertop deep fryer is a top pick for 2025. The TOPKITCH electric deep fryer is a versatile and efficient choice for home kitchens. With a generous 10-liter, 10.5 quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing crispy fried favorites like chicken, fries, and seafood. The single tank design is made from durable stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy maintenance. Powered by a reliable 1800-watt heating element, this fryer quickly heats up for consistent frying results. The included basket and lid make frying safer by reducing splatter, while the sleek, compact design fits comfortably on your countertop. Plus, its removable parts make cleanup hassle-free. If you're looking for a professional-grade fryer that's easy to use and perfect for family-sized meals, the TOPKITCH electric deep fryer is an excellent option for 2025. Stay tuned for more deep fryer picks. The Chefman Fry Guy is the ultimate compact deep fryer for small kitchens or anyone craving perfectly fried comfort food at home. With a 1.6 quart, 1.5 liter capacity, it's ideal for smaller batches of fries, chicken tenders, or onion rings, making it perfect for singles or couples. The restaurant-style basket ensures easy frying and draining, while the Easy View window lets you monitor your food without lifting the lid. Its adjustable temperature control allows for precise cooking, ensuring crispy, golden results every time. The sleek stainless steel design not only looks great on your countertop, but is also durable and easy to clean. For those seeking a compact, convenient, and affordable fryer, the Chefman Fry Guy is a fantastic choice for 2025. The Hamilton Beach 35042 professional-style electric deep fryer is a powerhouse for anyone who loves large-scale frying at home. With a massive 5-liter, 21-cup oil capacity, it's perfect for feeding a crowd, whether you're frying chicken wings, fish fillets, or French fries. The extra-large frying basket lets you cook large batches in one go, saving time and effort. Equipped with 1800 watts of power, this fryer heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures for perfectly crispy results. The lid with a view window allows you to monitor your cooking safely, while the stainless steel design ensures durability and easy cleanup. For those who want professional-style frying at home, the Hamilton Beach 35042 is a versatile, reliable option for 2025. The All-Clad Electrics stainless steel deep fryer is a premium choice for serious home cooks who value performance and convenience. With a 3.5-liter oil capacity and the ability to cook up to 2.6 pounds of food, it's perfect for frying crispy chicken, fish, or large batches of fries for family dinners or gatherings. Powered by 1700 watts, it heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperature control for even frying. The digital timer and adjustable temperature settings make it easy to achieve perfectly golden results. What sets this fryer apart is its oil filtration system, which makes reusing oil safe and hassle-free, saving you time and money. The stainless steel design is not only sleek, but also durable, and the parts are dishwasher safe, ensuring quick and easy cleanup. For a deep fryer that combines functionality, style, and innovation, The All-Clad electric stainless steel deep fryer is a top pick for 2025. And that's our list of the best deep fryers 2025. Whether you're frying for the family or hosting a crowd, these fryers bring convenience, quality, and crispy results right to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest and greatest kitchen gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.